Welcome back to what is the Sweatbox. Trusting as the van to go past as I was doing my intro. Welcome back everyone to what is now known as the Sweatbox, because it is hot in here. Welcome back everyone to what is now the Sweatbox. Welcome back everyone to what is now known as the Sweatbox. God, it's hot in here. We're back with a weird calculator from the 1980s. Yes, I know, the 1980s. We do spend a lot of time there, don't we? Oh, if only we could go back. Anyway, this is a G-Mia one. G-Mia, Gamia, G-Mia, Ray's brother. I don't know. But we'll have a look. Let's get down here. Mad has still got his box and everything, but I'm not holding out for a technological marvel of a machine here, to be honest with you. Right, here we are. Okay, so wow, that's light. Now, I'm not saying lightness indicates cheapness. Not always the case, but this does feel light and cheap. I'm not gonna lie. Let me see if I can give you an example. Right, here's this calculator from the 70s. No batteries in this now. No batteries in it. Let's make it sure it's fair. Put that on there. 101 grams. This one, no batteries as well. 80 grams. So it's 21 grams lighter. That proves absolutely nothing at all. But it was a visual thing to do. So having a look at this now, I can see straight off that the screen, or the bubbles, or the LEDs, or whatever you want to call them, are not straight, look. So if you have a look, if I hold that straight, you see it's on a slant like that. Like that. Like that. No, like that. Oh, cameras. Guess we better check if this thing works. Let's put a battery in. We got some sort of life. It doesn't look right though. What? Welcome to the new Sumerian calculator, because I haven't got a clue what that is saying. Press equals. Yeah, there's your answer. Tidy. Okay. Something tells me this is not working correctly. So we need to get inside, don't we? Let's take that out. Right, there's no screws. So I'm assuming you pull it apart. My assumptions are correct. Wow, that's why it's so light. Oh, let's have a look. Let's get you in a bit further so you can have a good look with me. Okay, so what is that, factory or not? This black one here. So you can plug this into a power point of sorts. So you got the wires here, and then brown is power, and the blue coming from the switch as well. So it's the brown's power, and the blue coming from the switch is the negative. And that goes into here. Power goes into here. But then you got this black wire here. Why is there a black wire on the board? Where's my tweezers? Because that brown wire won't get out the way. That does not look factory at all. Saying that, I don't know what the factory is. You know, could be anything, couldn't it? I think I can see a brake. Yeah, look. Somebody repaired this in the past, look. So that comes across here, up here. Yeah, to there, look. To this one. So I wonder if it's broke. It does look like there's a gap there. But if it works, it works. Oh, hold on. I see right there. Yeah, look. Oh, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. See? See them two, look? They've obviously been flexing. They're broke as well. So we want to test this, see if that's correct, essentially. It looks right. And we need to fix them pair as well, by the looks. It's that tape. Look at this. Tape holding the screen in. That can't be factory, is it? This is the QC sticker, and it's above the tape. Oh, man. Cheap crap. I think this is the sort of stuff you'd find on a market stall back in the day. Maybe. Oh, bloody hell. How are we going to fix MP then? We're going to have to clean up the two and get the hole in there. Clean these two up. There. It does look like there's bits of metal stuck in here, doesn't it? I have to prod them through. Yeah. Yeah, with it snapped, look. Looks like it's snapped because it's been working back and forth, look. What about this one? No, nothing in that one. I'm wondering if I can if there's enough length on these two to push them back in. So, have to come out. Whether he likes it or not, it's going to have to come out. If I break it, I break it. God, I hate them. These little metal pushy things with tape on them. I think they're crap. Just to give a bit of context, don't like them. So there's these two broken ones by a lot. Probably I'm gonna have loads more broken ones now. So there's them two there. Just clean them two up. There, two. So they are, but they are. Okay, these two. Pop the screen. Right, so I'm going to try and use capacitor legs now. I am going to butcher a capacitor use, so I go the legs longest. So I don't see the point in struggling. So there we are. Cut two off. Come on now, kids. Is that one, is it? Can't be that one. Surely. Oh, wait there. It's that one, isn't it? Come on, in. Yes, they are. I'll go through here now. I'll feed him through here now. There. Straighten him up a bit. That's him. He's in. Right, I'm going to do... Should I put some solder on there now? Or should I get the other one in? No, I'll put some solder on there. Right, let's see if we get the other one in now. It's going to be even trickier now because there's less plate. But he's in. Just got to try and straighten him up now. There. There, he's in. Seems to be a bit of pad damage here as well. Okay. So that's in. Got to trim these off now, obviously. There we are. Right. So I can put that back in here now. course a tight fit. There, he's in. Let's get this tape off. €30 tape's still quite sticky. Bloody QC passed, I should say. QC my arse. Let's see, get this back into place now. I can't believe that is, because look, you got, it looks like broken studs here. I don't think that was sellotaped like that, surely. It can't have been. It might have mine, because it doesn't fit very well. Oh, that's straight. So I'll get some Captain tape now. Straight. Don't know if it's meant to come over here more because I can see the wires for the. Oh, who gives a shit? It's not going to come over that far anyway, or is it? There. No, it's still going to show the wires. Oh well. Right, now we've done that, let's have a look at this. Oh, there's a lot of solder on there, isn't there? Let's look at the multimeter now. Put it on continuity. So there should be continuity from there to there. And it isn't. But obviously if I put that wire back down here. Yeah, that's what that wire was doing. Yeah, there's a break, look. There. I'm wondering if we could just do that with a blob of solder. Was it worth the hassle? Let's see if we can. If we can't, we can't. We'll just put that wire back on. Nah, it's too small. Oh, I don't know, mind. I don't know, mind. We might have. Let's have a look. Get that out of the way. Touch there. No, it didn't. My hand will come off. Solder that in here a minute. Bend it to there. So I touch that there. Yeah! And I do believe that's a little bit neater. So let's get this off here. So that's got to go back on here now as well. Look at that. The shape on that. This really is cheap. Right, here we go. Ooh, we got a proper 0. Yeah, look at that. It's not Sumerian anymore. It's normal mathematics. Hardly going to set the world alight this thing anyway, is it? Look how unresponsive it is. Look how slow. What a load of rubbish. There we are, though. It's a fixed load of rubbish. That doesn't... Fixed load of rubbish that is not worth my square battery. So there we have it. Cheap as it comes. The only nifty thing about it is it's red, but that's just because of a red screen, red filter. It's not red. Essentially, it's just a vacuum fluorescent display. And yes, I am absolutely sweltering. Haha! I hope you've enjoyed this video. Now, I need to ask a favour. A lot of, over 70% of the people who view this channel are not subscribed. So if you could just press that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, it's free. And we can have a laugh trying to fix crap like this. And some better things as well. Check out that CD Itachi thing. That was a good one. I enjoyed that. But yeah, so it goes from cheap 80s crap to decent 80s crap to cheap modern crap and decent modern crap. So there we are. Lots of crap. But until then, I'll see you soon. Take care. Ta-da.